what we don't need right now. That's what we're gonna plant later. All right. First, we're gonna start over here. All right. We are harvesting Butter Crunch, Red Leaf, Harris Head, and lettuce. All right, so let's see. We're just gonna do the cut and come again method, where we just see the lettuce, the red leaf, we'll come back to this. This is Swiss chard and spinach over here. They are not quite ready. This is arugula, more spinach. This is Bloomingdale spinach, and then we have our white onions. So now we'll just go over to the in-ground garden. And we have some turnips. We're harvesting most of the leaves and only 2 of the actual turnip bulbs. So just to keep from having to pinch all the stems off, I do not harvest all the way down to the end of the stem. I actually grab at the last big leaf and tear. And I do not harvest all the leaves because it will make the plant think that it is done growing for the season. And one reason why we are harvesting some of the leaves, not just because they're yummy, is because we want to give a lot of energy back to the turnip bulb itself, for it to continue to grow. So as you can see, we've got turnips down here, nice size, which we're gonna pull this one. And we're gonna actually pull this one out the ground now. And just loosen up the soil and pull. Nice size turnip. And we're gonna use the turnip leaves as well. So it could have kept growing, but I need the turnip to cook. So we've got some greens, and we'll grab another turnip right here. This is another one that we could let continue to grow, but like I said, I need it. So we're gonna just loosen up the soil and pull. Another good turnip, and as you can see, we've got some slugs on it, but that's okay. So 2 turnips, and we're gonna get this slug off. We don't want it to mess up the garden. Grab some more leaves. And this actually gives the beets over here and our carrots more sunlight to grow. So these turnips will be harvested within the next week or two. They should be ready. We've got all of these down here. So yeah. And then the last thing, let me get my scissors. We're gonna harvest some green onions. Okay. So these are my yellow onions and garlic, which they are doing really good. I'm actually just gonna take a few the onion leaves to make some green onions to cook with. I don't want to take all of them because it'll make the plant think that it is done growing. And do the same with these. We'll just take a few. All right. And over here as well. Taking a few. And these will actually continue to grow and give energy back to the onions themselves in the bulb for the bulb to actually start growing. Okay, so we have some turnip greens, our turnips, our green onions, and lettuce. And that is all we are harvesting today.